This case is the case of State versus Kyle Flack, 13 CR 104. Would you state your appearances for the record, please?
May it please the court, appearing on behalf of the state, Steve Hunting and James Ward.
Carl Evans for Mr. Flack, Your Honor. He's present. We're ready to proceed.
All right. Mr. Evans, the defendant was appointed counsel on Friday, and bond was set, and he was provided a copy of the complaint and advised of the charge against him. Do you have a copy of the complaint?
I do, Judge, and we would waive reading of the complaint at this time.
And is the defendant requesting a preliminary examination?
Actually, Judge, I spoke to Mr. Hunting about this a minute ago, and we would request a status conference in about 6 weeks to set a prelim off of that. We would waive the 15-day requirement. I've spoken to about this with Mr. Flack, and he's agreeable to waiving the 15-day prelim requirement.
All right. Is that true, Mr. Flack? You're waiving your right to have a preliminary examination within 14 days pursuant to the statute? All right. And the state waives that as well?
It does, Your Honor.
All right. Everybody can have a seat, and we'll look for a date within 6 weeks for status. I could do that Monday, July the 8th at 1:15 if the parties are available.
I am, Judge.
State is available, Your Honor.
All right. We'll set it for Monday, July the 8th at 1:15 in the West Courtroom for status and for setting of a preliminary examination. And Mr. Evans, were you provided a copy of your court appointment order?
I was not, Judge.
Okay, I've got one for you.
Yes, sir.
You want that for your file? And do you have a business card or something with your information on it?
I do, Judge. I gave it to your assistant. I think I have another one.
That's fine.
We didn't have information to work off of this morning, so we'll be filing an entry of appearance, and I'll get you a card with that.
All right.
Yes.
Fine. Anything else on behalf of the state today?
No, Judge.
On behalf of the defendant?
No, Your Honor.
If there's nothing further, the matter is adjourned. We're in recess.